If you've come across the Andarex Translation Glasses and are wondering whether they're the future of communication or just another overhyped product scam, you're definitely not alone, and before you spend a single penny, you need to watch this. These glasses boast some incredibly bold claims: real-time translation of over 144 languages. Using their so-called novelance technology, the ability to work completely offline without any internet connection. HD audio clarity, waterproof design, and all of this packed into a sleek, compact wearable device and being sold at a massive 65% discount. Sounds like a dream, right? Maybe even too good to be true. That's exactly why we decided to take a closer look, and what we found raises some serious concerns. For starters, the customer reviews on their website seem highly questionable. We traced some of the exact same review images and names to other unrelated websites and sketchy products, which immediately calls the authenticity of their testimonials into question. Then there's the total lack of genuine feedback on trustworthy platforms like Trustpilot or Reddit, where you'd expect at least some buzz if this product was legit or gaining popularity. Instead, there's silence, and that silence is loud. Add to that their aggressive marketing tactics, such as fake "only 3 left in stock" messages, ticking countdown timers, and claims like 12,000 plus units sold in the last 24 hours, all of which are common signs of high-pressure sales strategies used by questionable sellers. Another major red flag is their claim that the product has been featured on major media outlets like CNN, Fox News, and TechCrunch, but when we investigated those claims, we found absolutely no evidence or articles to back them up. And let's not forget the overly ambitious promises: offline translation, waterproof tech, HD audio, sleek design, instant language switching, all in one gadget for a heavily discounted price. Think about it, even major tech companies with billions in R&D haven't been able to offer all of this in one consumer product, especially without needing internet. That doesn't automatically mean the Andarex glasses are a scam, but it does mean you should be extremely cautious. Our goal with this video isn't to tell you what to think, it's to give you all the facts, lay out the red flags we uncovered, and let you decide whether this is an innovative leap or just another flashy gimmick.